Guys, right over. Hi. Hey, what's up? Welcome to this episode of Rone Zone. You miss me? It's fine, I'll wait. I don't have time to wait because I got to get in Rone Zone in like now. So you guys come along with me. We're heading back to the Midwest and it's going to be an amazing adventure, but my plane leaves in about an hour and a half and I got to go. So come along, guys, let's go. Good morning, guys. Welcome from Indianapolis, Indiana. I made it. I'm here. It's really early. I got zero sleep, but I still am staying in the Rone Zone, as I hope you are as well. Okay, guys. Anyways, I gotta go get my bag or I'm not gonna have any underwear for the trip. All right, let's get going. Bye. What's up, guys? Made it with the homie Joe, and now we're heading to go do a little frisbee golf because we are in the Rone Zone. Yeah.
Fucking T-Money with the shot. Should be in there if he's any good.
Yeah.
Extension.
I wasn't just driving around. Stepson is one of my best friends.
What is it, Middy?
And he texted me.
You see how he's throwing? Olive.
Olive,
Not
you
even
knocked out? Awesome. Well, that was fun playing some frisbee golf. Now it's time to smash on some smash burgers. Let's go. Ooh, pretty flower, pretty flower.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that.
Yeah, that is. I got kicked out of there once. I was too bad. You guys want to know where some dreams are made? I present to you the almighty White Castle. This is not promotion, but there it is. Yes, they do exist. You're welcome. What's up, you guys? From beautiful, sunny Kokomo, Indiana, here in the Midwest of America. It's such a beautiful day. really is my first full day here in Indiana. It feels so good to be back. It's the 5th of July. Yesterday we had fireworks. I got to see some old friends. It was really cool. But today I am throwing a really fun little party so I can see all my friends. So hopefully you all stay with me. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Rone Zone. So in the meantime, I gotta get ready. I'm late and it's time to get in the Rone Zone about right now. Let's go, guys. We're late again. Come on. Well, we need to get some Rone Zoning party supplies. Let's go, guys. Come on. Yeah, baby. You always gotta hook up the tiki torch for the party. You know what I mean? Adds a little extra flavor and hopefully keeps the mosquitoes away because they're all over the place. I don't know what it is. I must have that really tasty blood type. You know what I mean? Rone Zone special blood type. So, party ready. Guys, boom, got the wood, fire pit, we got the chairs, we got a little bit of everything. We got sunshine, got a little bit of everything. Okay, guys, let's go. I gotta get ready. Come on. Wow. I'm still on the wall. That's right. A young Rone Zone. Oh, shoot, everybody. This is the party warden.
It's a biddy.
The party warden. Party warden.
It's a biddy, whoever it is.
All right, guys, we got our first guest. I don't know who it is. It's a mystery guest. Let's see. Do they get a prize or out of prizes? Totally out of prizes. What? The party's here.
How are you?
Beth, hi.
Good.
It's Beth, everyone.
Hi.
How you doing? Wow.
Hi,
Hi, Amanda.
Hello,
Nice to meet you. Don't worry, there's nothing intimidating here.
Right.
You're good. Okay, who are you?
Oh, I don't like cameras.
Oh,
She doesn't like
come on.
cameras?
Yeah.
Okay, who are you? What
I'm
are you
Beth.
doing?
I'm Beth.
And
Johnson.
you are?
I am
Here too?
C. Tyrone.
Yeah, all right, good answer. And you are?
Hi, I'm Maureen. Tyrone lived with me in Fountain Square for a few years, and we had a great time.
Yeah.
And now we're both up here in Kokomo.
Awesome, yeah. Thanks, Lou. John?
And I'm John, Maureen's husband. Been in love with this woman here for 53 years.
Yeah.
We'll make another 53 years out of it.
All right, we're going for 53 more.
We were reunited high school.
Who are you? And what are you
Joe
doing
Money.
here?
What up? I run this.
Okay, I'll just. Who are you and what are you doing here?
Rick Dog, future limo driver.
Yeah, Rick Dog. What's up? Who are you? And
Eva.
Eva. And you're here with
Great.
Rick Dog.
Rick Dog.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Stay in the Rone Zone. And who are you? And what are you doing here?
Josh,
Josh.
I live here.
Oh, he lives here. He lives here. Okay, cool. All right. Thanks, guys. This is so crazy, guys. I don't know anyone here. Just kidding. Just kidding. Ah, the sound of the morning crow. Anyways, guys, another day here in Indiana. I believe we're on like day 4, 5, 6. At this point, who's really counting? We're having such a good time here. And of course, you know what I'm about to do. I'm about to get my daily dose of coffee. Because you know, life doesn't really start until that first morning of coffee. So anyways, I gotta put on my seatbelt and get Rone Zone ready, and we're about ready to go now. All right, baby, we out here. What's up? Let's do a little floating today. Come on. Indiana style, baby. That's right, baby. I got the bag. Got the bag. You got the bag? Yeah. You got the bag. All right, we got the bag. We're here now. That's fine.
All right.
The words of the great.
How is it, Britt?
Kristen. What'd you say, Joe? Are you in Rone Zone?
on, Rone Zone! Rone Zone out!
Hey guys, stay in the Rone Zone! Rone Zone! Woo! Yeah!
I'm at this phone.
What? Ah! Next. Here we go. False alarm. There we go. Booyah! Every now and then, Rone Zone likes to do a little daddy daycare. Okay, come on. Ah, yeah, good job, guys. All right, wave to the camera. Okay. What's up, you guys? Can you believe this covered bridge we're at? This is one of the only covered bridges left in the state of Indiana. It was actually built in 1875 and then moved here to Highland Park in Kokomo, Indiana. So it's literally been sitting in this location for like over 60 years, and the bridge itself is 150 years old. Let's check it out. Come on, guys. I'll give you the tour. Let's go. Look at this. So here you go. It even has part of the number still on there, 1875 Vermont. Historical site. Of course, we have the Wildcat Creek that flows along here. And we are at the beautiful Highland Park. All right, come on, let's go. We're back. We're back. Yeah, my man, direct us in, baby. Yeah, baby, just like that. Smooth landing. Yeah. Booyah, my boy. I painted that. I built that. I painted that. Yeah. Woo! Ticket office is still here. Fair noon, ladies and gentlemen.
And she got the part.
Nice.
Then she walked.
How's it going? We're back. We're back. Oh, the legend. Wheel grip.
Gear.
Marty Gear. Sorry.
They probably knew.
Old stomping grounds. I gotta go. All right. Diamond in the rough. You got a diamond in the rough over here. What's up, guys? Red Bar. Woo! All right, you guys, that was the Red Barn Summer Stock Theater. We just left there. That was an amazing show, amazing time, met some amazing people. Now we are heading back to K-Town, i.e. Kokomo, Indiana, and we're just gonna continue this adventure. Let's go! Hi, ducks. Hi, ducks. Do you see what I see? Glorious, glorious Indiana rain, man. This is what it's about. I miss it. What's up, sky? Little clear sky. And then you got the rain clouds. That's one thing I miss, guys. Getting rained on in Indiana. Simple pleasures. I'm gonna try not to get too emotional. No promises. Oh, gotta wipe the screen off. Yeah, baby. We out here. Oh, hope I don't get hit by lightning. Actually, good idea. I probably shouldn't be out here, guys, because, well, hold on. There's always lightning around here, and I've seen it firsthand. So let's get back inside.
It's a double rainbow!
A double rainbow!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
The double rainbow! Beautiful orange skies. Here, let me. Apparently we could see the moon, guys. Let's go check out the moon. Well, I wanted to show you guys a Kokomo moon. Hope you can see it. It's right over there. Yep. What's up, you guys? This is my last day here in Kokomo, Indiana, so I decided to go check out a play here in Kokomo, just basically to see some old friends and see what they got going on here in the theater world in Kokomo. I used to be really involved with that here, and it's going to be really something to see it again. So I'm excited, and we're going to go check out. We're going to check out a play. So let's go, guys. Come on, let's go.
One senior, one adult, and one student.
Wow. Sorry, you're in here. You're getting in here. You are in this video. Hi. Hi. Well, gang, we made it to the airport. Had such a great trip here in the Midwest. There's something about the Midwest that just kind of grows on you. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. Make sure you comment, you like, subscribe, and thank you so much for coming with me on this adventure to beautiful Indiana, and stay in the Rone zone. Bye.